Hello everyone in Prince William County. I'm Miss Viola from Montclair Community Library, and today I'm going to be reading The Bear Snores On by Carmen Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman with permission from Simon Schuster. It's about a bear who's asleep and all the things that happen in his little lair. Let's get started. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluffy cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pipe pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Can you guys see him sleeping there? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in, little bunny rabbit. "How, Mouse?" says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. Excuse me. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." You see them all sitting right there? That looks like a yummy good time. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. A mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in a great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear go, "Achoo!" He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up, the bear snarls, the bear roars. He rumbles, bear jumps, and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh no. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear day, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. You see everybody sleeping with Bear? Thank you so much. I hope to see you all very soon.